Check out this beautiful nursery here in Chang, Thailand. You know, you've got some petunias here. Petunias. Yeah, like these here are very popular in Australia with the old ladies and the old men. Like, yeah, you just cut off the legs here and they'll push out again. Yeah, with these petunias, like you can plant 3 or 4 different colours in the pots. They come up quite nice. Very, very nice. Here's some lotus flowers here. The lotus goes through all different stages, as you can see. So it's quite interesting. But yeah, you'll see lotus everywhere in Asia and Thailand, obviously. But really, really beautiful. But this nursery, just thought I'd do a little video here. This, very nice. This one here, it's a ground cover. Could go into a little bush. That would look nice out the front of the house. I think these ones are bougainvilleas or something like that from recollection. It's been a long, long time since I was in a nursery. These look like lavenders. We'll have a little smell. Not much of a lavender smell on it, but it is a lavender variety. I know with lavenders, I know of 8 different varieties, but I haven't seen this one. Some really beautiful colours here. You can get like potty mix dirt cheap. I know in Payao I picked up a few bags for like 10 baht or something, and I thought, what? 10 baht? Yeah, we'll just have a bit of a look in here. Like, I quite like stuff like this. There you can see the incense burning away. The smoke going up. Yeah, I've just done a live stream and I went a bit off track on my travels, so I'm about 22 minutes away from where I need to go, so I'm just gonna get my bearings back. I'm not too far, so I will get there in a 22-minute walk. So thought I'd come and recenter myself in this beautiful area. It's a small area, but very beautiful. Very nice plants. We'll get back into the colour ones, but very, very nice. Sweaty carp. Yeah, that's what, they have a nice bite to eat there. Oh, these here, you see these get quite big. Yeah, they multiply. You know, you get some really nice pots, dirt cheap. Oh, I forget the name of these, they escape me. Oh, jeez. Can't believe I've forgotten what these are called. They have numerous shows around Australia. These are like quite big. I can't believe the name of them has escaped me. I'll finish the film and then I'll remember what it is, but oh, jeez. Everyone's laughing at me now. It's terrible when you've got the name and it's on the tip of your tongue and yeah, you just have to walk into any shopping centre in Australia and you'll see someone doing a display of them. Oh, it's escaped me. Oh, jeez. All right, we'll leave it there with some nice view here of Thailand, Ban Chan. 1 hour out of Pattaya. So if you are in this neck of the wood, here are their details. Very nice.